That's right there is 75% hydration. 3 cups of water, 4 cups of flour. I'm going for 100% hydration, so there's another cup. It's starting to tighten up and the gluten is working. Slowly incorporate water. As you can tell, it's super, super wet. Use my hand and just to use the mixer. Going up second speed. It's tightening up right there. I'm gonna add more water. So this is at about right now 80%. And I like almost 85%. Oh, that was too fast. Oopsie. Slow it down for speed. So start 3.5 cups of water for 4 cups of flour. So that's pretty good. Pretty well hydrated. Almost equal parts. I don't want this to be going pancake there. So it's gonna be rolling for a while, and then I'm gonna use the Rubo method, which I'll show later. It's starting to detach slowly. This has been going on for 20-something minutes. It's a lot of work. That dough is starting to detach and the water evaporates. So as it's covering there. It's super sticky, but look, watch this. There you go. Wet my hand.